Hi, this is Dr. Kelly Miller, Saving Your Brain. I want to talk to you about some recent case histories we've been having with the bioidentical, or another way, biological sequential amino acids. So just as a refresher on this, Tufts University has been doing research and uncovering that there are specific amino acid sequences for all organs and tissues. What do we mean by that? We have 22 amino acids, okay? So most of these are 3, 4, 5, 6 amino acid sequences. These are very small. For example, a 3 amino acid is going to have a molecular weight of about 450 Daltons. And the threshold for passing through the blood-brain barrier is 3,500 Daltons. So these easily pass through that. But and these are taken intranasally, or they're taken through nebulizer. So I'm just going to grab one of these. I'm going to grab you one of these, and we're going to talk about 2 products here, which are awesome. We're going to talk about Glutathione and NAD. So these are both nutrients that are wildly popular. I mean, every company is trying to produce a product for these. The rich and famous take glutathione drips. You know, they may spend 8 hours getting a drip. Glutathione is our most powerful antioxidant, and it's the pathway that we use for all environmental detoxifications, okay? So this is critical. This is when we're talking about mycotoxins, we're talking about heavy metals, we're talking about glyphosates, pesticides, herbicides. All these things go through the glutathione pathway. So as you can imagine, we're inundated with these things from the environment. Even if we eat organic food, they even show that there's glyphosates in it because it's in the water supply that's you're actually supplying. So very hard to avoid. I mean, we need to avoid it as much as possible, but glutathione is awesome with that. So that this can be taken in a nasal spray like this once a day. So the delivery system like that intranasally is, we have 2 things. One of it can go through our nasal, can actually go through the blood-brain barrier, through our brain. And the other is it goes to our lungs, which then goes systemic. So it's in every cell, available for every cell. It's about the same as giving an IV. So this is an awesome way to get your glutathione. So all you parents of autistic children, this is something that's critical, because what we find in 90% of autistic children is they have mycotoxins. We find 90% have some heavy metals in there, like mercury, aluminum, which are neurotoxic. So far, I have not seen a nonverbal autistic child who did not have mycotoxins. So again, we need some way to detoxify those. We have other videos on detecting mycotoxins and how we can do that, but these are great. So the NAD, this is a new rage too. I have people that are doing NAD injections. I have multiple different companies have sent me products on that. I've tried numerous. None of them work like this. Again, because we have the intranasal introduction, which can go systemically through our bloodstream, via our lungs, and also can pass through the blood-brain barrier. NAD is great for helping mitochondrial energy. So again, we do lots of chronic, any chronic disease has a mitochondrial energy deficit. Autistic kids, mitochondria deficit. So these 2 products should be on as part of your 1-2 punch, to stay healthy.